Granite State Credit Union Scam Busters are
Here to keep you updated on trending fraud.
Share tips to keep your personal information safe.
And to answer all your fraud-related questions.
Today's episode of Scam Busters will be covering
Remote access scams.
Remote access apps allow control of your device from anywhere, which makes it a perfect tool for fraudsters. Beware of anyone asking you to install these kinds of apps or software, as they can be used to steal your private and personal information.
So what do I do?
Don't install unknown apps or software on your devices. Be alert and never share your personal information. Be wary of requests to remove access control on your device. If you're suspicious at all, call or reach out to the company directly. Don't ignore red flags. Pay attention to suspicious behavior. Are they giving you ultimatums or threats? Is there pressure or a sense of urgency? Trust your instincts and err on the side of caution. Disconnect the call and call GSCU if you feel your account information has been compromised. And finally, don't engage further. Once a fraudster is attempting to trick you into installing a remote access app, cease all communication. Now, are there legitimate uses for remote access apps? Of course. So how do you keep your private data safe while using them? First, keep your password strong, unique, and complex. Always enable two-factor authentication for that extra layer of security. Never share sensitive information like your online banking or debit card information. Just don't do it. And remember, GSU will never ask you to install a remote access app. Follow GSU Scam Busters for more fraud education tips.
if there's something strange on your online account. Who you gonna call?
Scam